If you have a house in Milford, Ohio, and you're looking to sell fast, easily, conveniently, and get a fair price, then this video is for you. My name is Dave Perichin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses in Milford. And in this video, I'm going to share with you why so many sellers prefer to sell to us rather than working with a traditional buyer who's got to rely on some bank or mortgage company or lender to buy the house. So with us, we're easy to work with because we're going to buy the house as is. We don't need you to fix anything or hire a handyman. We don't need you to clean anything, and you don't got to haul anything away. So anything that you want out of the house, take with you, perfect. Anything that you don't want, you simply could leave behind and we'll take care of for you. So there's no money you need to put out. There's nothing you need to fix whatsoever. And what allows us to be a true as-is buyer is we're a cash buyer. So we're not relying on a third-party mortgage company or lender to buy your house in Milford. So with a traditional buyer who's using a mortgage company or using a lender, they're going to send through a thorough inspector. They're going to inspect every outlet and light switch and ceiling fan and things like that. And then they're also going to send through an appraiser. And that appraiser, if the house doesn't meet their requirements, they could cancel on you and just completely waste your time. And I've talked to a lot of sellers where this has happened to them. It's actually pretty sad because in real estate, it's not just time that's being wasted. Every day that goes by that a traditional buyer is not able to perform for you, well, it's another day that you got to pay utilities and property insurance and property taxes. There's just a huge opportunity cost. So if you have a house in Milford and you want to sell to a direct buyer who pays cash, or at least just see what your options are, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. It says Columbus in the website name, but we buy houses all over Milford, all over the Cincinnati area, and all over the whole state of Ohio. We actually have hundreds of reviews and testimonials of sellers just like you that we've worked with, and it's a very easy conversation when we get on the phone. So we just need to know more about the house and know more about when you want to close. So some sellers want to close quickly, and that's perfect. We can do that. Other sellers need more time and they want to do something more flexible and set a future date, and we can accommodate those needs as well. When we get on the phone also, we're not going to apply any pressure. We're going to make you a fair cash offer. If it works for you, great. If it doesn't work for you, no crime, no foul. We're not going to, leave a bad taste in your mouth or play games or no gimmicks and no sales tactics. That's what you get with the call centers that are, not even located in Ohio. They might not even be in the United States, and they're calling you and texting you and saying they want to buy your house, and we don't do that. So if you have a house in Milford and you want to sell for a fair price to a direct local buyer like us, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perichin. I look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.